I'm on my way to see Brian and Sarah. They have 6 kids. It's hard enough with 1 child.
You did it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I think we're a crew.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, this is our home back here. And what's special for me and both of us about this home, this was my grandparents. About 12 years ago, I had an opportunity to purchase this home. The fact that we're now living in it, keeping the tradition going, we couldn't be happier.
Yeah.
But it's extremely small.
It's about 1,400 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house.
Up here, and then the boys are right there asleep. All 5 of us.
So it's 8 people in 1,400 square feet. They're using every square centimeter of this house.
We need some extra space. The boys are getting older, they're getting bigger. We want to create a better living environment.
What is going on out here?
Now's the time to do it. If we wait much longer, it's not gonna be good.
We can't do this anymore.
I gotta see if this is living area potential.
Brian likes to explore. I think that's his way of trying to change their situation, if possible.
All right. This wall just getting knocked down into our family room so that we could see the kids playing and hanging out and it's not so separated. But I don't know if it is load bearing. So I sent Brian up to the attic.
I'm going for it.
Do you know what you're looking for up there?
Not exactly.
Luckily, he hasn't gone too far, because I think if he goes any further than exploring, that's when they're really gonna get in trouble.
I think we're scared to continue to destroy the house, just even little bits at a time. We are way over our heads. We need professional help.
Hi!
Hey, how are you?
Oh my gosh!
Welcome to Chaos.
And your house is so cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
Let's do it.
Come on
Okay.
in. Check this out.
Wait, this is really nice. Does it always look like this?
Not at all.
If you had gone out of your way to like choose a house, this house probably would have been too small.
Yes.
But you look at the neighborhood, you look at the memories here.
We got married in the backyard.
We want to make it work.
This house is my forever home. I moved around before and I struggled with it a lot. When I moved into here, I said to him, I don't ever want to move.
You guys have one backpack hanging here. There's no jackets, there's no shoes. Where is all that stuff?
Give us
There'll
a
be
second.
plenty.
Hold on.
Yes.
I'm definitely questioning why I'm even here. And there's no wreckage anywhere to be seen. Why am I here?
So this is a little more realistic.
Got it.
It's normally a minefield of
Toys,
toy
clutter,
chaos.
yes.
This is our main storage in our living space.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I've always envisioned built-ins or
We're
something.
busting at the seams, and we desperately need help to figure out something.
I want to talk about this fireplace. Is this original? Is this something that's been updated?
When I first moved in, I wanted to kind of put my own spin on it. We added this.
You did it?
Hired someone to do this.
That's pretty sharp.
Yes.
It just seems like it's already dated.
So style-wise.
It's funny, I always joke with girlfriends, I can't have color in my house because I feel like our house is so busy and chaotic, it just gives me a headache. I just like to keep it neutral. So the white I love.
Okay, so I still don't really see how you've wrecked your house because this looks really nice.
Yeah, let me show you some of the things that we tried to do on our own.
Okay.
This wall is my biggest concern with this house.
Oh, all right.
When we're cooking dinner and doing everything else, this separates everything.
We wanted to see if this wall could come down on our own. So we started ripping off the baseboards, and then we saw this crack here. We're like, wait, did we do that? Wait, we need to stop. And then all these nails were popping out everywhere that we had to take out. We went in the attic to see if it was a load-bearing wall.
So what'd you find out?
I'm not exactly sure what I saw, and that's where we need your help.
Your cooktop.
As you can see, we keep the dials off.
Oh, so to turn them on, you have to actually install the dial again.
Yeah, so we
Okay.
got, we got this guy.
Do all 4 burners work?
No.
No, 2.
Two burners for a family of 8? There's this layer of things that they can't control that they've just kind of put out of their minds so that they don't have to deal with it. And this house falls in that category. Just the construction alone is a huge undertaking. To turn this into habitable area, it would be considered an accessory dwelling unit, an ADU.
Okay.
The permitting process could be pretty hefty. You'd have all new electrical, all new plumbing.
Yeah.
If we're talking about adding a bathroom, I mean, that's a whole nother undertaking. What's your budget?
We've been working really hard at pinching pennies and saving everything we can. $300K is where we're comfortable with.
We've been saving for almost 6 years. Yeah, shortly after I moved in.
$300,000 is a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's a down payment on a different house.
We love this house. It's worth it to us to make this house work.
100%.
In my opinion, your house is not wrecked, which makes me wonder if I should take on your project. That said, I feel like I have to take on your project because it's almost like your house is wrecking you. You're just so close to that day when everything's not okay.
Yeah, it's a ticking time bomb for sure.
Yeah.
I think I have to. And it's gonna be about 10 weeks that we're gonna be working on this house. It's a big project. The budget for this project is $300,000. That's a big chunk of money to spend on this house, but that's what they wanna do. Scott?
Hey.
This is their dream home. They don't want to live anywhere else. I wanna get rid of this wall, so what's the verdict?
We know that this is load bearing.
Okay.
So we're gonna bring in a big beam, new posts, new footings. That's the only way to get this wall out of here.
So you're saying all the way from here,
Yeah, the whole house.
all the way to
Yeah.
here, one big beam.
24 feet.
Okay, so what I want to talk to you about is this entry too. What isn't in this room is storage, and that's what they desperately need. So basically what I need to start with is I need a half wall right here, and then a built-in to give them tons of storage for whatever or whoever comes through this door. We'll add LVP flooring throughout, and then as far as the fireplace goes, we'll build this out. We'll do the whole thing in a beautiful neutral lime wash. We can do built-ins on either side, and that also is storage.
Okay.
This wall comes down,
Right.
which gives us a whole new floor plan in here.
Yes, it does.
And this entire area will cost just under $100,000. So they need new white shaker cabinets and quartzite countertops with a light veining.
Yep.
New appliances.
Yes.
We're gonna raise the ceilings and install can lighting. We take the slider and actually move it closer to the dining area. And what that does is it gives us more room on this wall to add in cabinetry. And then a pantry goes at the end of the cabinetry.
That's a lot of space.
And then huge right here, 10-foot island. And I'd love to add a window.
That'll bring a lot of light in, actually.
Yeah. Do like a U-shaped banquette, right?
Okay.
With a table.
Okay.
And then maybe a couple of chairs. Brian and Sarah, they agreed to the 12-week time period. Hopefully we can pull it off. We're in there working right now. I mean, that's all we can do. This looks awesome. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. Scott,
Yeah.
what have we done?
Hey, I'm just doing what I'm told.
Yeah. This is what's taken so long. So finally our garage conversion has come together. I mean, this is so much work. We've got our laundry, we've got a desk, we're gonna have a sink here. Hi. So in our bathroom, you can see, right? We're almost ready for tile. We've got a tub that's gonna go here. We've got our double vanity, our toilet room here, and back here. This is the real story, right? I mean, this is the bedroom. We've got our insulation in, drywall's going up. The design style for this house is calm. Natural textures, not a lot of contrast between colors, and really nothing in this home competes for your attention. I'm really excited to see the shiplap go up, finally. The idea is that it's gonna be our backsplash, which is different. Sarah has enough going on. She doesn't need a busy backsplash. So the shiplap is a great option. It's gonna really just be a timeless backdrop for this kitchen. Woo! You would never know this used to be a garage. It's awesome. I've got the leg. Sarah asked for a kitchen that was really calm, was really simple, but I'm still gonna add details that make it feel like there's some design going on in here. That looks great, guys. Cool. The backsplash is shiplap. That's a millwork detail, but it's very simple. And then on top of that, we put this quartzite. It's a natural stone. It makes it functional, but it also adds another layer to that simple design. Easy, which means to have the kitchen that Sarah wanted takes more time to work through all of the details to make sure that everything ties together, that everything actually still has design. This looks so good. Thank you.
heavy, huh? A little bit.
Yes. The stakes on this project were huge, right? It wasn't just a big budget, which it was. It wasn't just a huge construction project. It was the family. They were living in a camper with 6 kids, and they were out of their house. They needed this renovation, but they also needed to get back into this house as quickly as possible. This home has been in this family for generations, and it's gonna stay in this family for generations. There's no doubt in my mind that one of these kids could own this house someday, and knowing that is pretty cool.
Oh, wow. All right, let's go check this out. Hi.
Oh my God.
How are you? Good to see you.
Hi. Wait, you didn't even notice your garage or lack thereof.
Yes, we did. Oh my gosh. That is
Wow.
crazy. Wait, in the door. Oh my,
That's your dream door.
so beautiful. I'm like shaking.
This is wild.
I cannot believe
Yeah.
what a transformation. That is crazy.
So the budget on this project, $300,000. We did a lot of work for that amount of money.
Yeah.
Over a third of that budget went towards the accessory dwelling unit, adding
Wow.
almost 500 square feet to your house.
Wait, we don't even know what to do with all the space.
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you guys.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna let the 2 of you look around, and I'll come find you in a few.
All right.
Awesome.
All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
have fun.
Okay.
Go ahead. Oh my gosh.
This is insane.
Wait, this is not happening.
Wow. Babe, you got your dream kitchen.
Wait, just stream everything. Oh my gosh, look at the fireplace. Built-ins are huge.
Look at the kitchen table.
And we can all fit. Oh my gosh.
This is a completely different home.
Holy moly.
Wait, what do you think?
Oh my.
Totally different house.
Where am I?
It is
Okay, so even this
incredible.
area,
Yes,
right?
yes.
New front door,
Oh,
So beautiful.
you got your Dutch door, babe.
right?
So the kids can't get out, but they can see. Oh, it's perfect.
Now it's an entry, right? You've got your
Yes.
wall.
Yes.
It feels like your giant couch should
Yes.
fit there. And
No way.
Oh,
Oh, this is huge in
just
here.
what we needed. Genius.
you had a bench over
Right.
here
Oh my
on the
gosh,
wall.
I
There's
know.
no wall there anymore. Okay, so before, there was a wall that was here.
Yeah.
So this dining room was a separate room.
This is like the best solution, and it's beautiful. All the chairs that were constantly moving around, they were huge.
Now you just have this
It just
nice
flows. Like,
flows right through
in
the.
this space, like
This.
oh my gosh.
I mean, having that window above it, what a difference. You
Oh,
knew
what
you wanted a window
A
there.
difference. And how fun is dinner gonna be? I mean, all of us, you know,
Yeah.
they're all scooting in.
It's gonna be awesome.
Okay, so the nice thing about this leather is that it's faux leather. And so you can just wipe it down. It's not gonna
Great.
stain, but you get that look and that
And
luxury
the color
of
is
leather.
so beautiful. This wall just getting knocked down into our family room, but I don't know if it is load bearing or not.
We took this wall down, so there's a beam that went up.
Okay.
With that, we were able to open up the kitchen to the rest of the room. Doesn't it feel like it always should have been this way?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This
so
is
much space.
amazing.
This island
Oh
is
my gosh.
massive.
These are quartzite countertops.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
natural material, but they're durable and they don't stain, and you can just live your life.
From what we had before, amazing. And I love the color. You nailed it.
Yeah, it is so neutral.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this range.
Oh my God, wait, it's so many.
I know.
And they all work?
You have one burner for each child.
Yes.
Yes.
Different meals.
Oh, wow.
And I love this too.
Yeah,
back here.
I do too.
So when picking a backsplash,
Yeah.
calm was a guiding light,
Yeah.
which I loved, but also the bones of this house.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
This was your grandmother's home.
Yes. Yes.
And so millwork is so important, that custom carpentry that you
Yes.
get in old houses that if you don't add it into a new house, you're not gonna
You're not
find
going to
it.
find it.
No,
Yep.
no.
I mean, are we living?
No.
Yeah, we are. we are. We are.
Okay, do you wanna see the rest of your house?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
We're ready.
All right, let's go. Go ahead on in.
Oh, this
This is gonna
a-
make me cry. I have a laundry room. Where did this room come from? Wait, and I am in love with the color. Yes, that's what
Yes,
I love
yes,
with
nailed
the
it.
color.
Yes.
Obviously, a big risk in my mind.
No.
The reason it works is because I painted every single surface this color.
Yeah.
So
That's
cool.
why it works, because there's no contrast.
And it's so like serene in this room.
The other thing, you had a little home office.
Yeah.
Yes, Zoom calls, emails. Yes.
So
No way.
now you have a little spot. Call your own.
And we can shut the door so you can like have privacy in here.
I got like a legit office right now.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
This is
wow,
definitely the most
wow.
useful room.
Wait, look at this. Storage. We're gonna spend
Wow.
a lot of time in here.
I'm just gonna stand in here.
Do you want to do this door or that door?
You pick.
This door.
one. Sure.
Door number 1.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Brian.
Wait.
Double vanity.
Double vanity. We've never been able to both be in the
Never
bathroom at the
both
same
had a
time.
bathroom. And I have a
got a
bathtub. I didn't even see the bathtub. I love this.
I got a walk-in shower.
I
my
think
gosh.
the size of the walk-in shower was the size of our whole bathroom.
The whole thing. This is all porcelain, super durable.
Okay. Good,
And then the
good.
walls are a more organic ceramic tile.
Beautiful. Oh.
Wait, what?
The toilet?
Oh.
Private toilet? Wait, and these floors are beautiful.
Oh my
Wait, this is the
gosh,
prettiest
that's-
bathroom I have ever seen.
There's one more room to see.
This next room is where we're gonna be sleeping.
I know. Alone. I don't even know what to do.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's huge. We've never had space like this.
This is what we needed.
This is a beautiful
This is-
space.
Oh my
And
gosh.
it just
this
flows with the
is
whole
like-
house.
That was the garage
Oh
door.
my
This is
gosh.
a complete game changer. Wow.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Brian, this top part is for you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
nice.
Oh wait, and these go in? Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
All right, baby.
Okay, Sarah, I know you wear a lot of dresses.
They can just hang all the way down. They're not gonna get all wrinkled and gross at the bottom. Huge in here.
So cool.
It's wild that all of these were part of just one garage, but this space just right here still feels bigger than our old bedroom. I'm not bringing anything kid in here. There's not gonna be a toy. There's not gonna be an article of clothing, a diaper. This is just gonna be our
Yeah.
things in here.
Yeah.
This renovation, just speaking about Brian and I, will do tremendous things, giving us our own space, our own privacy, allowing us to have conversations alone. It's gonna be beautiful. It is so beautiful out here.
Gosh. To have our family in a home that I grew up coming to, I know Sarah, she loves the story that it was a family home passed down, and I hope one day that we can pass it down to our kids.
Yeah.
And just keep it going. You absolutely did a wonderful job.
It is
We
the
are so
most
grateful.
beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.